We're gonna pay down a lot of debt with that.
Are they gonna
And I
have
think
to-
the gold card is going to be used by, not only for that, I mean, it'll be used by companies. I mean, I could see Apple, I've spoken with Tim Cook, and by the way, he's gonna make a $500 billion investment in the country, only because of the results of the election. And I think because of tariffs. He's gonna wanna be in the country because of tariffs. Because if you're in the country, there is no tariff. If you're out of the country, you gotta pay tariffs. And that's gonna be a great investment, I think, that he's making. I know it's gonna be a great investment, but we have to be able to get people in the country, and we want people that are productive people. And I will tell you, the people that can pay $5 million, they're gonna create jobs, they're gonna spend a lot of money on jobs, they're gonna have to pay taxes on that too. So they're gonna be hiring people, they're gonna be bringing people in and companies in, and I don't know, maybe it will sell like crazy. I happen to think it's gonna sell like crazy, it's a bargain. But we'll know fairly soon. I think Howard and Scott, a few of you really are responsible for it, but Howard, if you want to discuss that for a couple of minutes, I think I'd like to have you. I think it's going to be a very successful program. This is
Sure.
commerce.
So the EB-5 program, which has been around for many years, had investment of $1 million into projects in America. And those projects were often suspect, they didn't really work out, there wasn't any oversight of it. And so for $1 million investment, you got a visa and then you came into the country and ended up with a green card. So it was poorly overseen, poorly executed. Then you had our border open where millions of people came through. So the idea is we will have a proper business, we will modify the EB-5 agreement. Christy and I are working on it together. For $5 million, they'll get a license from the Department of Commerce. Then they'll make a proper investment on the EB-5, right? And we think Scott and I will design the EB-5 investment model because Scott and I are the best people together to do that. So this is joint. This is exactly the Trump administration. We all work together. We work it out to be the best. And if we sell, just remember, 200,000. There's a line for EB-5 of 250,000 right now. 200,000 of these gold green cards is $1 trillion to pay down our debt. And that's why the president is doing it, because we are going to balance this budget and we are going to pay off the debt under President Trump.